Hello, big guys. Yikes. Sorry about that. Stupid thing. So it's about 6:30 down here letting the critters out. I ain't had my coffee yet. Flip this over. I wondered where the new ones were. I'll see if I can get a better shot of her. Yeah, she hatched out the other day when the ducks did. Come on, time to start the day. Do this. Get out of there, Mitchell. You ornery thing. Come on. Those guys are so cool. I think that's the most hummingbirds we've had around here. They're amazing little critters. Belly up to the bar, little guys. Sorry for the camera shaking, but alright, gotta finish my coffee. Uh-oh, she's chasing that one off. Better get out of there. They're out on their maiden voyage out of the coop. That little one over there just wanted to be included, but she's not having it. Now watch, when I get close, she'll go in her attack mode. You're gonna go into your attack mode. Now you don't have to run off. Actually, I think that was the one that was trying to join in. Sorry, little guy. I'll leave you alone. And it's growing up. A few that's managed to make it halfway to adulthood. She's got 8 or maybe 9. Cool. Where are you going? The duck's got the right idea there. Right down the watering dispenser. They really are cute when they're that size. Got some new critters on the homestead, and here's where they decided to spend the night. You know, you guys are going to have to go join the other chickens at some point. Can't be hanging out up here on the porch and crapping all over. Sorry, but alrighty. I'll let you all get your rest. that little duty is ill, and so this bigger chicken is trying to keep it company. Don't be rough with it. That is a Khaki Campbell. My neighbor gave me 2 of those. That's a hen, so we have 2 hens, so we're going to try to find a drake. See if I can figure out where the other one went to. Pretty coloration on that Muscovy there. Let's see, there's the other Khaki. Where are you going? There they are lounging and catching insects. Probably catching insects, plus hanging out in the shade. And here is the Muscovy and the little banty hen who are teaming up to try to hatch out some duck eggs. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but you know, they've been on them a while. They're all about ready to hatch. I actually have no idea when they would be due. Yeah, here's this odd situation. Well, a little duck has emerged, and it is between the chicken and the duck, so they managed to hatch at least one out. This duck is laying. That hen over there, she's got to be really close to hatching out, but I don't want to disturb this duck, so we'll come back to her. Hello, hello, little ones. Welcome to the farm. I hope you guys can make it. Hope the predators won't get you. We're working on getting the barn built, but we'll see how that goes. More duck eggs. She is hatching out, but you can see there is a broken egg. I'll have to come back to her. Chill out, Mama. Now, Mama Hen, I know you co-hatch these ducks, but I don't know if the mama duck's going to be happy when you come back. They're bigger than you are. This is hilarious, the way these animals get confused, I guess, is the kindest word I can come up with. Anyway, we'll stay tuned. They're cute little fellers. Just think the little hen is confused. Aha, don't hide. Welcome to the farm. No idea, we'll have to wait a day to see how she's done. I can't even remember how many eggs she's had under. Oh man. I gotta pick up some junk around here. I gotta get this barn built. That's the way that things look for I don't know how long now. Ain't been in the budget. So our chicken populations have grown, and my brother had to move, give us all his chickens. We've been adopting them because people don't have any room for them. So since we have all this, we decided we'd give it a go. But I got to get a barn built. So. Coops aren't holding them anymore.